In this video, I'm going to show you how to create bundle products. So this is when someone purchases one product, but they receive a bunch of different products that we have available within our store. So if you sell programs and you have multiple programs and you want to run a sale and bundle a bunch of your programs together at one price, this is an easy way to do that. Or if you sell physical products like dog beds and dog treats and things like that, you can sell a bundle and that will then bundle the specific products. So there's a lot that you can do when it comes to bundling products. Those are just two examples off the top of my head. So let's go ahead and create a bundle product. So we're going to navigate over to our products over here on the left-hand side. And then I said that we were going to use our dog box subscription. So when someone purchases the dog box subscription, they are then going to get a bundle of items. So we're going to turn that into our bundle product. So I'm going to click on my dog box subscription. I did go ahead and remove the variants for simplicity's sake. And what I'm going to do now is make this a bundle product. So I'm going to navigate over to my advanced settings on the right-hand side, and I'm going to enable bundle. So that's turning this into a bundle product. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your inventory for different products. But it's important to note that bundle products cannot have an existing inventory. They are a virtual product. The things that have existing inventory are the things within the bundle. So the dog treats, the dog beds, the whatever it is, those things might have inventory, but the bundle product cannot have an inventory. All right, so that's just an important thing to remember. So now that we've got our bundle enabled, I need to add products to this bundle so that it can order those products for my customers when they purchase the bundle. So I'm going to add a product, and I've added extra products to the system. So I'm going to add a dog color, and I'm going to add my dog toy, and I'm going to add my dog treats. And those are the items they're going to get when they purchase the bundle product. So they get the dog collar, the dog toy, the dog treats, and that is a total value of $60, but I am selling it for $40. And this is a subscription box, so I would want to actually enable my subscription and say that this is monthly with no limit. So every month they're going to receive this bundle of goodies for their dogs. Now, I am also just going to show you that perhaps I don't have a product in my system already and I want to add an extra something. So I can go ahead and actually create a product right here within the bundle. So perhaps I have an idea for a bundle and I need to create those products in the system, but I just want to put everything in one place immediately. So I can go ahead and actually add a new product here. And let's say I've got dog treats, dog toys, dog collar, maybe a bow tie for a dog because they're cute. And I can make that $10 and again, hit save. And there you go. So every month they're going to get a new little bow tie as well for their dogs. And now they're getting a pretty good deal of $70 for only $40. Now, I do want to show you what this looks like when someone purchases this product, because again, the bundle product itself is not an actual product that's sitting on our shelves. The products that are sitting on our shelves are the dog collars, the dog toys, those things. So what happens when someone purchases this product is that the system orders each of those items individually, but sells them at the discounted price or the bundle price, not a discounted price, but the bundle price. And I'm just going to go ahead and save those changes before I navigate away and show you what it looks like when we create an invoice and someone purchases those products. So let's go ahead and navigate over to our orders over here on the left-hand side. And I'm going to click on invoices, and then I'm going to add my first invoice. And I'm just going to go ahead and select Betty White from my contacts. And now I want to add that bundle product to this invoice. So I'm going to add a product, and I'm going to select the dog box subscription, and I'm going to hit save. So you'll see that now that that subscription has been added to this invoice, we've got our dog box subscription. It's $40 a month, and what items are being sold within this bundle product. You'll see that we've only got the bundle product price within this order, and that all of the prices for the individual items are not there. Again, the system is ordering each of those individual items for the bundle price, not the collective price of the individual items. So that is how you can create bundle products within the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to manage product inventory and set up warehouses. I'll see you there.